you will know all the stuff about Python. Okay, so I didn't put up this notes. Okay, I just being being interrupt many times today. I got many IRQ requests I have to handle, so I didn't put it up. Now I just go through a very simple stuff. What is the so-called scripting language or interpreter language? Okay, and this is the basics. If you think that my lecture is too boring, okay, you can try this too, guys. I particularly love this site. How many of you know this site? This site is fantastic. Okay, I don't know how it is being written. I don't know how. Okay, how many of you know this? No one. Okay, only you. Okay, how good it is. Okay, he can do he can do a step-by-step trace just like a debugger. Okay, over Python. Okay, so you can try the, let's say there is a function definition. Okay, so you can skip the function definition, and this is the first command. Okay, it set a variable called my list, and you can forward and see it's moving, and because of the function call, you will create a stack frame. How? I don't know how. I just don't know how. Okay, it's so cool. So cool. Okay, here you can see, wow, it's jumping. Yeah, if someone propose a Ruby version for FYP, I will accept it. Okay, yes, go ahead. But don't say that by the end of the semester you say, it's too hard, I don't want to do it. Yeah. Or you do it for the project, I'm also okay. Yeah, I don't know how. Yeah, just so interesting. Okay, what happened outside? Some murdering or something? Yeah. Okay, so we will go through a little bit. I will go ahead a little bit fast. So server-side programming is just again for execute. Okay, so I don't mean Python is the only scripting language that you should use. You can use other scripting language like Victor already here. Victor loves to use Ruby. Okay, yeah, I still prefer anything. I can write in JavaScript. I can write in Python. I can even write in Perl or C. You can see, yeah. Or you already have some fans of some of the camps. That's okay. I just want to tell you that choice is not limited. Okay, and most of the stuff is done through fork and execute. So you will expect that your program, once it run, usually start with the main. Okay, start with the main. I don't know for Python where should I call it the main, but start from the first line that you can execute. Okay, and this is my message. Okay, so in terms of a shell programming or a scripting language, there's something that I want to mention to you that what is scripting language or Python-like language? Okay, the Python-like language or scripting language has a little bit difference. First, I will tell you about the grandmother of all kinds of scripting language, the shell script. Okay, yeah, I love shell script. Why I love shell script? Because shell script has only one data type. Okay, do you know what is that data type? String. Yeah, string. Shell script only know one data type, it's string. Okay, and how many commands that a shell script can have? It's actually infinite, because shell script, okay, is unlike every other programming language. Programming language has for loop, while loop, all the things, printf, scanf, all the library calls. Okay, shell script do a different things. Okay, it's work with, what are they? Some of the storage, some of the input output. Now this diagram is a compile code version, right? The compile code go through the CPU and give you results. But in shell script, why we call it a script? Just like the script for the 6-bit, so 6-bit is write a script, okay? And you follow the script, you hire some actors. So what are the actors? The commands. It works with commands only, with basic control, like the loop, the if then else, okay? But the printf, the scanf, sorry, they are all gone. It will be replaced with commands, okay? You can call the echo command, okay? Whenever you write a shell script, you'll find many people write shell script using echo. Actually, the echo, okay, I don't know how many of you know the command called which asks the shell to locate where you will call when I type echo. Okay, so the meaning means this /bin/echo. Okay, so when I type echo, actually where is it? It will show you. Okay, so when you are going inside the shell script, you ask for, hey, I want echo. Actually, it's going to /bin/echo. If inside the shell script you type printf, actually there is a binary program, okay, compile program in /bin/user/bin called printf. Okay, so printf is actually a program. Okay, and in terms of shell script, you will ask those programs to work for you. Okay, you can do a parallel running, connecting them using the pipe. Okay, yeah, your nightmare comes back now. Pipe, in the OS course, you're being tortured by the pipe, right? But now you will later understand that pipe is your best friend. Okay, basically it's a control in how to coordinate two processes. They do it thing in parallel. One is doing some analysis. You pipe into sort. Okay, then you can sort the output. Okay, you pipe it to pipe it to the printer. Then you print it out. Okay, doing something in parallel. Okay, so I think maybe we go through one more slide. Okay, when you write a shell script, very easy. First, you have the two characters. Okay, maybe I pronounce this in a bad way. Okay, but I love to pronounce this two character. Thanks Brian to help me to look up the name. We call it shebangs. Okay. Yeah, don't find that I'm kidding. Okay, it's not kidding. Shebangs. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's really costly, but the pronunciation is someone call it hushbang or shbang or shebangs. Okay, it's just up to you, but it means these two characters. Okay. Yeah, these two characters. There's special meaning. Whenever you ask the okay, so I go to tab and I edit it. A.sh or BAS or maybe SH. Okay. You type this. So what is the meaning if you're doing this? Echo hello. What is the meaning? I just close it. Change mode, execute. It will execute the content, right? But this is kind of a shortcut. I should say it wrong, but a shortcut. The true meaning is you're running this, actually is equal to the same thing. The shebangs tell you to do the following way. Whenever you want to execute it, you find that there is shebangs here, so it eventually call this. So this shebangs is very interesting. What if you are doing this? Okay, you can try together with me, no problem. Really no problem. Yeah. Not the end. Okay? So, what if I do this? What do you think? What do you think? Let's run it up. Goodbye. I can't run it anymore. Do you understand what I mean? I do it again. No problem. This is something that you can demonstrate to your friends, but on your friends' department machines, your friend's computer, and the target change to something interesting. Okay, minus F. Minus F will also be there. Okay, echo A, maybe something like this. Okay, so actually the echo A is mean nothing. Okay. Okay, so when you execute this, basically it is equal to minus F, and then the script name. It's equivalent. Okay, so when you execute it, oh, sorry, no, not this. Execute it. Oh, I forgot. It's gone. It's gone. Okay? So make sure that you are doing it slowly but correctly. Don't type something like this, you will regret. The dot is by accident, okay? Or not dot. It is by accident, okay? Okay, yeah, really what will happen is your parent direction is gone, okay? Of course, it seldom happen, right? It's basically you do it on purpose, okay? Because the feedback here is to drive which program you want to run. You will see some other people's write something like this. Is what it is. Then Python, right? Then will be Python. I use Python 2 syntax. 1, 2, 3. No semicolon. Okay. Control plus A. Okay. It works. Basically, it's the same as slash user slash bin Python and then a.sh. Now the extension doesn't matter. People will argue that, hey, why it's not called a.py, okay? It doesn't matter, just run. It's just the same, okay? Because it means that it read the content and follow the content, execute the code line by line, okay? So this is something that really, means something, okay? So in case that you miss the, let's say you write code here, you miss it out, sorry, it no longer works, okay? It no longer works. That's right. No longer works because it don't know which executable it wants unless you call it in this way, okay? Unless you call it in this way. Okay, so I think the time is up for this lecture. I will go on with Python.